talking to you.
Who are you talking to? Your non-existent friends? Hi,
So
it's
different.
Ginny.
And Sophia.
It's day 3 of Solar
Day
Boat
4.
Vlogs. It's day 4 of Solar Boat Vlogs. And right now we have a pretty good design of our boat. However, we are going to finalize our measurements.
So like proper when you talk.
And we are going to make our templates so we can scan them and then put them on our foam and make our displacement hulls. We also are changing a little part of our design. Right now we have the 2 displacement hulls like this, and we have the box. Okay, you know, we have pictures, okay? My hand movements aren't gonna do everything. So we have our box on top, but then we wanted it to be more stable. So we're going to have another kind of rectangular box on. Wait, make 2 hulls so I can make a picture. Okay, so she has 2 hulls. There's gonna be a box right here. Make this straighter. Okay, this is our boat example using human arms. Okay, very good, right? And we have a box here, and then we just have like these ends that are like 3.5 inches long right here. So then we decided that we're gonna have more like a rectangular one connecting the front and the back so that it's all together. If the box planks don't hold,
It'll be more stable.
it'll be more stable and it'll be more connected. So if there is wind or something, the glue will hold.
Will it hold cargo?
Yes, the box will hold cargo because if the displacement hulls can hold more cargo, we want it to, so we need more places to put the cargo. I'm sorry, I haven't got your face in it at all. So, yeah, that's
That
what
was
we're gonna
very. We should have explained that better. But that didn't make any sense.
do. It did make sense. What you doing, Shurgi?
I'm drawing the hull.
What are you doing, Shurgi?
I'm drawing displacement hull.
Okay, so right now we have our dimensions here. Each solar panel is 3.5 by 3.25. So we're gonna have all of that up here, and then we'll have the open space for the dominoes for the cargo. And then the 3.25 plus 3.25 equals 6.5. So then we have a 6.5 by 7-inch box. And then we figured out that if we want 3.5 inches on each side after, we'll have a total of a 14-inch long hull. So now all we need to do is figure out how wide the hulls are going to be. We're just going to have to do math and do subtraction. I almost ate my hair right there.
Okay, what am I saying?
We have our measurements.
Yeah.
Now Shurgi is going to talk about that because I feel like you're tired of my face.
Yeah. Okay, so our hull width is going to be 2 inches. Then the space in between our 2 hulls are going to be 6 inches, and then that's 10 inches on the hull side. Yeah.
Don't tell me, I already know.
I know, but like I don't know where to look.
The camera. Yeah. It's template time with Ginny.
Template? You said template.
Yes, template.
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 Fine, template time. It's like crayon. We are not getting into that argument.
Crayon.
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 Tell us how you say it in the
No,
comments below.
no one's gonna watch this.
I'm gonna be a YouTuber one day. Now it's template time with Ginny and
Shurgi. We're gonna draw it now.
now we're going to
Wait, why'd you stop it?
photocopy our design. We just got back from the office. Why were we in the office, you might ask? We made a couple photocopies of our original design. So if we mess up, we wouldn't screw up the original. Guys, she messed up cutting a line. She cut it off so unevenly. At least we have an extra. Do you want me to cut it? I'm gonna cut it, Shurgi. Okay, so I screwed it up and now we have to go make more copies. Because Shurgi didn't make the lines dark enough.
I'm sorry.
And we're back, attempt number 4. Since we did different research, we are going to now share them because sharing is caring. So now that we have our design, how many of that design you have are we gonna stack to make it thicker? Because each thing is about 1 inch thick. So we're gonna stack 3 of those to make one hull. So we'll have 6 styrofoam cutouts of that design. We cannot design our box and our other 2 rectangular boxes right now because we do not know the size of our cargo, which is the dominoes. We don't want to rely on the internet for this because we want to
not
be
accurate.
precise with the exact dominoes we are going to use. So once we find out the dimensions of the domino,
We will be able to make those extra 2.
then we will be able to design our balsa wood boxes. Bye!
Bye!
What was this? It was like a dab note.